Why kidney health becomes more important with age. After the age of 50, many people begin noticing subtle changes in the body that are easy to ignore at first. Energy levels may feel lower. Swelling becomes more noticeable. Blood pressure rises more easily. Frequent urination may interrupt sleep. And the body sometimes feels heavier, more tired, or less refreshed than before. What many people do not realize is that the kidneys may quietly be under increasing stress during this stage of life. The kidneys work every single minute filtering waste, balancing fluids, supporting blood pressure regulation, and helping maintain important minerals throughout the body. Yet kidney problems often develop silently for years before obvious symptoms appear. Modern lifestyles place enormous pressure on the kidneys over time. Highly processed foods, dehydration, excess sugar, diabetes, high blood pressure, smoking, poor sleep, and chronic inflammation may gradually affect kidney function. This is why healthy eating becomes more important after 50. And among the simplest foods that may help support kidney wellness naturally are fruits. Not because fruits magically cure kidney disease. Not because one fruit instantly lowers creatinine overnight. But because many fruits contain hydration-supporting nutrients, antioxidants, fiber, and plant compounds that may help reduce some of the stress placed on the kidneys over time. This video explores 8 fruits that may help support kidney health naturally after 50 and why simple daily food choices often matter more than dramatic wellness trends. 1. Watermelon. The hydrating fruit that supports fluid balance. Watermelon is one of the most hydrating fruits people can eat, which is one reason it is often associated with kidney support. The kidneys depend heavily on proper hydration to help remove waste products efficiently through urine. Many adults walk around mildly dehydrated without realizing it, especially after 50 when the sensation of thirst sometimes becomes weaker. Watermelon naturally contains a high amount of water along with antioxidants like lycopene, which researchers continue studying for its role in healthy aging and inflammation balance. Its refreshing nature may help support hydration without relying on sugary soft drinks or artificial beverages that place more stress on the body. For many people, simply replacing processed snacks with water-rich fruits becomes a healthier habit that indirectly supports kidney wellness over time. 2. Cranberries. The small fruit traditionally linked with urinary health. Cranberry has long been associated with urinary tract wellness. Although cranberries are not a cure for infections or kidney disease, they continue receiving attention because of compounds that may help support urinary tract health naturally. After 50, urinary discomfort and bladder-related issues often become more common, especially among women. Many cranberry products on the market are heavily sweetened, which can reduce their overall health value. More natural forms without excessive added sugar are usually the better choice. The important point is balance. Cranberries may support healthier habits and hydration, but they should never replace proper medical treatment for infections or serious kidney problems. 3. Apples. Apple remains one of the most underrated fruits for healthy aging. Apples contain fiber and antioxidant compounds that may support digestion, blood sugar balance, and inflammation management, all of which indirectly affect kidney health. Many kidney problems are connected with conditions like diabetes, obesity, and high blood pressure. Supporting overall metabolic health therefore becomes extremely important. Apples also make a simple replacement for processed desserts and sugary snacks that increase stress on the body over time. Sometimes protecting the kidneys starts not with special superfoods, but with reducing the daily burden created by unhealthy foods. 4. Blueberries. Blueberry is widely known for its antioxidant content. The deep blue-purple color comes from natural compounds called anthocyanins, which researchers study because of their potential role in fighting oxidative stress. Oxidative stress affects many organs as people age, including the kidneys, blood vessels, brain, and heart. Blueberries may help support healthier aging because antioxidant-rich foods can help the body manage some of this cellular stress more effectively. Many adults over 50 also appreciate blueberries because they are lighter and easier to include in breakfast, yogurt, smoothies, or snacks without creating the heaviness of processed desserts. 5. Pomegranate. Pomegranate has been valued for centuries because of its vibrant color and antioxidant-rich profile. Healthy circulation is extremely important for the kidneys because the kidneys depend heavily on blood flow to perform filtration properly. As people age, blood vessels often become less flexible, while inflammation and blood pressure problems become more common. Pomegranate contains plant compounds researchers continue studying in connection with cardiovascular wellness and oxidative stress management. Again, this does not mean pomegranate cures kidney disease. But supportive foods that encourage healthier circulation and reduce reliance on processed sugary foods may indirectly support kidney health over time. 6. Pineapple. Pineapple is popular not only because of its refreshing taste but also because many people find it easier on digestion than heavily processed desserts. Pineapple contains vitamin C and natural enzymes like bromelain, which researchers study for possible connections with digestion and inflammation. After 50, digestion often feels slower and heavier. Replacing processed sweets with lighter fruits may help reduce stress on both digestion and overall metabolism. Hydrating fruits also encourage healthier fluid intake, which matters greatly for kidney wellness. 7. Grapes. Grape contains natural antioxidant compounds such as resveratrol, especially in darker colored varieties. Researchers continue studying these compounds because oxidative stress and inflammation play major roles in aging-related health problems. The kidneys are especially vulnerable to years of metabolic stress, high blood pressure, and inflammation. Adding antioxidant-rich fruits into daily meals may help support healthier eating patterns and reduce dependence on processed sugary snacks. And often that dietary shift itself creates major benefits over time. Strawberries. Strawberry contains antioxidants, hydration-supporting nutrients, and fiber while remaining naturally refreshing and relatively light. Many adults over 50 begin craving simpler foods that feel fresher and less heavy than processed snacks. Strawberries can support healthier routines because they naturally encourage lighter eating habits while providing beneficial nutrients at the same time. Healthy kidneys often benefit indirectly when the entire diet becomes cleaner, fresher, and less inflammatory overall. Why hydration matters more than most people realize. One of the biggest reasons fruits help support kidney wellness is hydration. The kidneys require adequate fluid balance to help remove waste efficiently and maintain healthy circulation. Yet many adults consume more coffee, soft drinks, processed juices, and salty foods than actual water-rich foods. Hydrating fruits naturally increase fluid intake while also providing fiber and antioxidants. And after 50, hydration often becomes even more important because dehydration may affect energy, blood pressure, circulation, digestion, and kidney function more strongly than before. Sometimes the kidneys are not asking for complicated detoxes. Sometimes they are simply asking for less stress and better support. Not every fruit is right for every kidney condition. Although fruits may support healthier habits for many people, individuals with advanced kidney disease may need special dietary guidance. Some kidney patients must monitor potassium intake carefully depending on their condition and medications. This is why people with kidney disease, dialysis treatment, diabetes complications, or serious medical conditions should always follow advice from healthcare professionals or renal dietitians. Natural foods can support wellness, but they should never replace medical treatment for serious kidney problems. Healthy kidneys often begin with daily habits. After 50, the kidneys quietly handle enormous responsibility every single day. And many people do not think about kidney health until symptoms begin appearing loudly. But healthy aging often starts earlier than that. Better hydration, less processed food, lower sugar intake, more movement, better sleep, less inflammation, and simple natural foods like fruits that may help support the body more gently over time. Because protecting the kidneys is rarely about one miracle ingredient. It is usually about the small daily choices repeated consistently for years.